this is the interface where you'll be publishing your content from, as far as WordPress websites are concerned. To publish a new content, you have to go to the top section of your website or blog. This section, you will see Post Media Page User. I'm assuming that we are publishing a new content. And so we'll click on Post to open the posting page or interface. Now the interface has been loaded for you to start publishing. There are two sections that are clearly visible. The first one is the title section. This is the title section where the letters are currently surfacing. Then this section is where you actually post the content. So this is the content section. Good. So now I have a content already prepared. It's possible to type your content directly here or to prepare your content directly here. If you are not done with it, you can save it as a draft using this button. However, I'm assuming that we have prepared the content. So I'm pasting that content into this section. Okay, so this is a content from another blog to help demonstrate how to publish. This is the title. So the title goes here. This content is about examination for BEC candidates. You can make all the words start with small caps. However, abbreviations such as BEC could be written in caps throughout. However, the remaining letters or remaining words can be in small caps, or you can decide to bold in the first letter of each of them by making it capital. Good. Now, for this particular content, this is the title. Then we have our content that we have pasted here. Now you can see some blue or violet links in it. We call them the direct links or inner links within your content. Each time someone clicks them, the person remains on your site. However, since this content has been copied from somewhere else, these links will be external links and not internal links. Internal links, once clicked, the person will be taken to another content on your website. External links, one click, the person will be directed to another content on another website. So I'm going to create one internal link on this website. So to create the internal link, you go to All Posts, right click and open in a new tab or in a new page. Yes, a new tab. So it's loading. It will show me all the content on the website. Since this content we are about to publish is related to education, it is better we opt for an education related content. So I can take this, highlight the whole thing, title, and copy. Control C or you right click to copy. When you copy the title, come back to the content. Choose where you prefer to put your internal or external link. So for now, I will just put it here, read, Control V or paste. Then you go back to where you copied the content from and click on view. Right click on view and click copy link address. Copy link address. copy link address. Go back to this content, click, and then click on this pencil icon to edit. Once it opens, clear everything and paste the link you just copied. Come to this link options and click on it. It will open an interface. If you click or tick this, each time someone clicks the link, the website will open a new page. However, if you leave this like this and you update, once the person clicks on this link, the person would leave the current content. I want the person to have two contents, the original content, and then the link being opened should open in another page. So I click open link in a new tab, then update. This is the same procedure we use for internal and external links. Now, another trick you can do is to make sure that you bold in each of the content that you have linked to so that your readers can easily see them and the potential or the likelihood that they will click would increase. Okay, so we've done some of the basics. Now let's come to this side. The categories. This content is related to education, so you tick education. Don't select more than one category. It's not a good blogging practice. We come to tags. The tags have to be related to the content. So if I look at this content, I can see 2022 BC. So copy 2022 BC, go down here and paste it in there. It could also be 2022 BC candidates. This content is actually talking about students trying to look for leaked examination. So we could also say 2022 BC leaked questions. So we have 3 of them. Let's proceed. So we want to publish our first content. Now, the next thing I want to talk about is the image, set feature image. This image will show at the front end of your website or on top of the content each time someone clicks on it. We need images. So let's go to Google. If we don't have image related to that, Google, we are going to look for something related to BEC to get some candidates probably writing the exams. BEC 2022. We search, go to images. Good, so we can use this. I'm going to quickly download this image from here. Save as. This image is not the kind of image I can easily download. Let me check this. You want a PNG or JPEG image. This is also not downloadable. Let me go to the website and see. So we are looking for an image that would fit the heading. Okay, now let me try this. Save. Okay, so now I can save this image on my desktop. It's a JPEG image. Now, this image is heavy and it will slow the website down, probably. So we go to a website called Compress JPEG. compress JPEG. We are going to compress or reduce the size of the image using this free service provided by Compress JPEG. Okay, so this is JPEG. Click on upload. Then select the image you opted for. So I'm sure this is the image. So double click to upload it here. It will be compressed. It has been reduced by 3%. You click on the download button to download it. Now let's go back to our content. You must give a name to your image so that people who cannot see or those who are visually impaired, when they use the internet, the system they are using should be able to read what the image is related to so that they can click to read or to continue searching. So let me go back to where I came from. Now I'm going to set the feature image. You click on the feature image. Since the image is not currently on your website, you click upload files. Then you click on select file. The image that has been compressed is in downloads. So I go to downloads. Depends on where your images go to when you download from the internet. So this is the image which has been compressed. So you can see MIN attached to it. Click on it to load it into your back-end image files. Once it comes here, the title you copied, paste it as your alternative text. Then change the title it came with and paste the same heading of your content there. Then set feature image. So we have set the feature image. Now let's come here. What is this content about? You should know what the content is about from the onset. It's about BEC students who are lazy. Good. If you are not sure of yourself, just scroll down and go to Insight. Click on this drop-down menu to open. Let's look at it says the following words or word combinations occur the most in the content. This gives an indication of what your content focuses on. If the words differ a lot from your topic, you might want to rewrite your content accordingly. So these are some of the keywords or words that our content is about, but we can not see all the words here. These. So I'm going to introduce it into this content as a subheading before the key information as to why the students are lazy. So students in general are becoming lazy and are ready to find easy. So this paragraph talks about or relates to the topic. So I put it there as a subheading. I copy my title, I put it here as a subheading. You can make changes to it as well. It does not necessarily mean the title must be pasted here, but based on the way this particular one has been written, it can fit in perfectly. Now it's a title, so you select the text, then go to paragraph, this section, click on the drop-down menu and choose header 2. Header 1 is your title here. So this is a subtitle. Okay, now let's go back here and check if any changes has occurred. Click on this. No problem. Let's proceed. Now, we want to rank for these 2022 BC candidates are lazy. Straight away, we have green, search engine optimization. The quality is good, but we need an alternative phrase or synonym. This is the focus key phrase. We go, so I've copied 2022 BC candidates as my alternative key phrase. You can see 2022 BC candidates in here. So once you copy it, you come here below the edit snippet, you click here, and then you find your key phrase synonyms and paste this there. You are done with that section. Now let's come here, click on this. When you click on it, because the title is excellent, we see this portion being green. If this portion was red or orange, you have to work on the title, reduce the length of it, make sure that the focus key or the key you want to rank for can be found in the title, then you paste it here. Once it is green, you can copy it and go and paste it as your main title as well. Now we want to work on this portion. What information we put here must relate to the content so that when people search for such content, they can read the description below it. And if it meets their expectations, then they would click. Now, one easy way to do that is to copy your introductory paragraph if the keywords you want to rank are in it. So the keywords I want to rank have to do with 2022 BEC candidates are lazy. I want to check if it is in. So Control F, 2022 BECE. So you can see candidates. Okay, so you can see that the 2022 BEC candidate is in paragraph 1. So you can now stop searching and then copy. Copy paragraph 1, come here, come and paste. It must turn green, so we'll take off some of the content. So I'm taking off the entire portion here, and we are lucky enough to have it turn green, which is perfect. So that has also been done. If it was not green, we'll have to keep working on it, change some of the phrases, reduce some of the sentences until we get green. The sentence you put here must be a clear description of what is likely to be seen in the main content. Now, once you do all that I have done, you should see these analysis results showing green. The more greens you have, the more improved your content is. And all that we have done is to get the content ready for publication, but it's also called the search engine optimization. We have optimized the content, improved on the content so that search engines can show it when students type 2022 BC or BC mock sample. Now, since the system or the used plugin we have at the back end has more than one key phrase and synonyms, you can keep adding some of the key phrases you find here. So BC 2022, copy, open the related key phrase section, paste it. It should turn green, yes, because a lot of it is in the content. You go back to that place, you can copy another one, maybe BEC mock sample. You only get these things, these key phrases surfacing in the inside if you use them very often in the content. Thus, you optimize the content to be able to show as a search result each time someone types those keywords or prominent words as indicated here. Okay, so we are done for this content. What we did included the following. Title should be long enough, not too long. It shouldn't cover the entire space of the title. The shorter with more information in it as far as title is concerned is the best. Make sure that the title includes or contains the key phrase you want to rank for. The key phrase should be found in paragraph 1. Use the key phrase in a subheading. Change the subheading from text to header 2. Other subheadings under header 2 could be header 1, header 4 in that order. Make sure that you have internal and external links. Like this one. This is an internal link. The others are external links. The next thing is your tags. These keywords are related to the content. So copy them or type them here and you'll be fine. If you are typing it, it could be BECE 2022 students. If you want to type several of them before you click add, each of them should be followed by a comma. Lazy BECE students. So because of the comma there, when you click add, you get 2 more of the tags. Image, compress the image on compressedjpeg.com. Also make sure that you change the image or alternative text to the title and the title of the post, and the title of the image should also change to the title of the post or the key phrases or key phrase in your article. Once you do that, you click set feature image. You can use the method used to set up the feature image to introduce images into your content as well. So let's assume I want to introduce that same image or another image here. I click and follow the same procedure. I'm assuming I have the image here already, so I click the image and then I click insert. It will pop up. I can decide to expand, click on the pencil, come to medium, blah, 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 display settings. I want the image to be full size, so I click on that and then I click update. If I want to center the image, just click on the image. You have all these options here. This is the settings. This is to center or put it in the middle of the text where it is found. Once you do all these things, you can click the button, publish button to go live. So I'm going to look for the publish button. I hope it's not hiding. Publish. Okay, so this is the publish button. Search engine optimization, SEO is good. So click publish. Once you click publish, the page will refresh. And once it's done refreshing, you can be sure that your content is live. So to go to the home page, you can click on the name of the website here. Then click on website, right click to open it in a new page, or click on it directly to leave the current page. If you want to view the content, you come to just after new, there's view post. You right click to open the post in a new page. If you click the view post directly on the page you are editing, the content you are working on will disappear and it will open a new interface. Now, if you want to see all your posts, you click on all posts. It will take you to all your posts. If you want to go to add new post. This add new is the same as coming here and clicking on post. Okay, so this is the content we just published. It is live on the website. It is live on the website. After some time, the ads will begin to show on it. So I have refreshed that page. Now this is the home page. This is the home page. You can see the new content is showing here. And the category is education. Okay. So there you have it. I hope this tutorial has been helpful.